Welcome back to another tutorial in the Adobe Illustrator course for beginners. In this lesson, we're going to recreate the Google Chrome logo. Now, it's very easy. Just follow along the steps and you'll get it right. So first, I'll select the ellipsis tool. Then by holding down the Shift key, I'll click and drag to create this perfect sphere. I'm just going to center it. Select the pick tool. Now, let's give it an outline. There we go. So with it still selected, come to Edit, Copy, then Edit, and then Paste in Place. Then by holding down the Shift and Alt key, I'll click and drag to resize this. Again, with the second sphere, the inner sphere selected, come to Edit, Copy, then Edit, Paste in Place, then hold on the Shift and the Alt key, click and drag to resize this, and there we go. Now, the next step will be selecting the line segment tool. So I'll select it, and I'll come over here, Cancel. I'll just draw a straight line like so and release it. Then I'll select the rotate tool, hold down the Alt key and then click, and then it will bring this will pop up. Now I'll type 360/3, select copy, and I can see they've created a copy for me. Now I'll press Ctrl D again, and I'll create a bad copy. Now I'll just come back here to make sure that these lines are intersected properly, and then press Ctrl A to select all. Select the Shape Builder tool, and if you hover, you can see these sections that we've created. We have 3 sections that are equal, and then we have these 2 in a circle. Now I'll come over here. Now let's just start adding the colors in. So you can actually see from over here, we have the red at the top. So I'll select this color. And come over here, click. Come back again. We want a yellow. And lastly, we want a green color. And then we want a blue for the inner circle. So come back here again. And there we go. So select the pick tool. You can see we have our colors in place, but the outlines are making it less. They're making the logo look a little bit rough. So Ctrl A to select the whole thing. Or instead of pressing Ctrl A, you can just click and drag and select it like so. And I'll come over here and select none. So we remove the fill from the stroke, and there we go. Now you have successfully recreated the Chrome logo. And if you feel like something is not right, you can always come back and make some adjustments. So just make this a little bit bigger, and there we go. It's that easy to create the Google Chrome logo.